Welcome to this move-in ready 3-bedroom, 1-bath, split foyer home situated on a large lot with plenty of outdoor space and functional layout inside. Enjoy the outdoors from the back deck, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Major updates have already been completed for peace of mind, including a new roof, siding, windows, furnace, and hot water heater all replaced within the last 10 years. The kitchen comes with all appliances included, and natural light flows throughout the home, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Outside, you'll find a detached garage ideal for storage, projects, or hobby space, plus a spacious yard that offers endless possibilities for outdoor living, gardening, or play. If you are looking for a well-maintained home with key improvements in the highly sought-after Cardinal Community School District, then you don't want to miss this opportunity. Call to schedule your showing today.
Keep going back and forth. There's still a fire there. Resurrect the human inside. You give in to the pressure and crossing the line.
I am Matt Smith, and I am proudly representing Land Guys here at Southeast Iowa.